And here's our cockpit facelift paint. Then the interior is replaced with a new one. Interior replacement. All interiors are replaced with new ones. Interior replacement. This is the delivery standard. With air conditioning, interior replacement. Use brand new tires. When new steel ring, then the engine is the fun we recorded. The front engine is recorded in front of us. Repair all. All accessories are new. Then the exhaust corrector is new. The gearbox we took earlier is all new. All overhauls. Replace all damaged accessories with new ones. Then the new fuel tank. New fuel tank, new tires. As for the axles, we also open them all at the back. Then if there is a problem, replace them all. All gears are repaired. Then the whole vehicle is sprayed. Vehicle spraying and painting. Tractor final delivery standard left drive. Cup repair. Exterior repair spray paint. Replace the interior with a new one. New tires, new fuel tank. New battery. New battery. All other accessories are replaced with new ones. And test tire repair. Front transmission disassembled. Replace all damaged accessories. Rear transmission disassembled. All accessories replacement. The fenders are new. These taillights. These little pieces are all replaced with new ones. This truck has been in use for about 10 years. It's completely fine. Overall, there is no problem at all for about 10 years. It's just a small accessory. May sometimes be replaced at any time with damage. The batteries are all new. Then our gas path is all new. Look at this wire. The main wires have been replaced with brand new ones. The main wires are replaced with new ones. And there's the pipeline. These are oil pipelines. This black wind pipe. This trachea is all replaced with new ones. This trachea. Then the back dryer inside is also new. Basically there is nothing that could be broken. With this brake pump, we've tested it all. If it is broken later, you can replace it yourself. It's totally fine now anyway. The truck has undergone an engine change, correction of all accessories, transmission replacement accessories, then the pneumatic system, replace all brake tubes with new ones, replace the tires with new ones, replace the battery with a new one, driving interior refurbishment, then this intake pipe, this intake, replace all this air filter with new ones. This truck has been in use for 2 or 3 years.